Something else that you can do with the hearts that you cut out, or the templates, you can use the template and you can draw on there, or cut it out of paper like we did for the hearts, the ones that we did out of watercolor in the other video. And then you can just go on the outside edge with your paintbrush, and you'll have a white space on the inside. Then you can cut this down a little bit and draw it on there. You can see underneath there's another watercolor heart under there. Then you can cut one out of watercolor paper and use a little scrap of the watercolor paper as to make your little 3D thing, so the heart kind of pops out. And then I just took a little brush and added some cute little hearts to it. You can take this, now if you cut it the size of your card, if you're going to make a card, let's say, you can just give something like this as a present, sit it on a little easel and write something to your Valentine on it, or your best friend, or your mom, whatever. And then you can just set that on a little easel and they can set it on their desk. But if you want to put it on a card, these are little blank cards that I get. They're Strathmore cards, and they come from Amazon. They come with an envelope. So if you cut this the size of your card, or just slightly smaller, you can glue that on the front of a card and press this down, and it'll go in the envelope. Then if you something a little bit different, you could get another piece of paper, and you can cut the hearts out that we did, the little watercolor hearts we did. You could cut those out. I like to leave just a little bit of white around the edge. That's what this came from. And you can cut those out, and then you can put them on another piece of paper. Or you can use black paper. Black paper would be nice. Or you don't have to at all use that paper. You can or you can turn it this way. You just be as creative as you want to be. Something like that. Arrange them like you like. Doesn't have to be in a row. Just mix them all up. You can make them go this direction. You can push them over to the side a little bit and write something down through here. You write your message on the inside. And then sometimes I like to, if I'm going to do something like this and I've got the envelope that it goes in, sometimes I'll make little embellishments in the corner of the envelope, like a little heart, and just touch it with your watercolor brush and make a cute little heart to go on there. So that's a couple of things that you can do with your hearts that we did in the other video. Now here is, of course you see my lights in it.